Hello everyone. This video to show you the process of downloading a PDF version of your digital badge. So you have to go to this website, which is youraclaim.com. So once you get to this website, then the next step is to create an account. And once you create your account with the information, then you can just log in. So in my case, I have the account already in, so I can just go and sign in. So I can just type in my email and password and then sign in. And once I am in the home page, now I can see the badges that I have. So in my case, I have only one badge, so I'm going to click on this one. And here is my badge. So now to get the PDF out of this, I have to click on share, which is right here, the blue button, share. And in the share page, I have several options to share this badge. So in my case, I'm looking for a PDF version of this badge, so I have to click on this print icon, and here I am. I can just click on the download PDF. So we're just waiting to download the PDF, and here is the PDF version of my badge. So I can just download this into my local drive, and here we go. This is the PDF version of my badge. I hope this video can be helpful. Thank you.